Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Joining as a member. Membership gives you access to amazing videos that are not for public viewing. I have some videos there that are for just my members, and membership gives you access to videos firsthand. So please join the community. Guys, in my previous video, I showed you guys the pattern of this amazing bustier top. Guys, it's simple, easy, it's beginner friendly. Go watch it. I taught you guys so many amazing ways to make it fit very well. In another video, I'm still going to use that pattern to make a bustier dress, but in this video we're going to be making the strapless top, and in the next video we're going to be making it with straps. If you've not seen the pattern making, please, I would advise you to go check it out, because you're going to use that pattern to make this top. Let's get into it. So guys, to make your bustier top that doesn't have a strap, what you're going to do is you're going to fold your piece like this, your pattern piece, fold it along this line right here that we made. So the bust line, so fold it at this top part, the over bust. Fold it into two just like this, and then hide it at the back to cut out your piece. So can you guys see what it looks like? It's already, like, it's perfect like this. So what I did was I added ½ inch around the top just like this, around the side, and then 1 inch at the bottom and 1.5 inch at the side. So the side has 1.5 inch, and the part where we're joining to the center front has ½ inch, with this side ½ inch. Now this is the side back as well. I also folded it along this part right here. So where this point got to, you are going to fold it into two, hide it at the back, and then cut out your fabric. Now what I cut out is ½ inch seam allowance here, ½ inch at the top, 1 inch at the bottom, and 1.5 inches on the side. So the side back also has 1.5 inches. And then we're going to go to the center front. Now your center front pattern is going to be cut on a fold. So it's going to be cut on a fold, and then you're going to add ½ inch all around, and then on the bottom you're going to add 1 inch seam allowance. Then you're going to take your center back as well, and on the center back, you know, we're going to put a zipper at the back. We're going to have 1.5 inches extra as the seam allowance, and then at the top you're going to use ½ inch on the side, and 1 inch on the bottom. So guys, I hope you understand the measurements that I've given you guys, and I have cut it out on interfacing and my lining. So you're going to cut out your front pieces on interfacing and your lining. So you have your main fabric, your interfacing that you're going to iron on it, and then your lining piece. So you're not ironing interfacing on the lining, just on the main fabric. So you're going to iron it down, and then we're going to start joining it together. So guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to now put it right side facing. So the lining does not have a right side or wrong side, so I can put it anyhow. But when it's your main fabric, you're going to put it right sides facing each other, and you're going to sew it from the bottom to the top. So I advise you to pin your work before you start anything. Then once you do that, this other side as well, you're going to pin it down and sew it from the bottom to the top as well. I'm going to pin it on camera so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now I'm just going to place it right sides facing each other like I said, and then I'm going to now start pinning it down. So can you guys see what it looks like? This is what it roughly looks like. So I'm going to repeat this process for this one as well. And then I'm going to show you guys what next to do. By that time, I would have ironed and sewn my main piece. So I'll show you guys what next to do. But let me show you guys what you will do to the back as well. Now, guys, for the back, you're going to arrange it and place the pattern paper on it so that you will know which one you are turning, like right sides facing each other with. So this is the part where we added 0.5 inch allowance, and here 0.5 inch allowance. We're going to place it right sides facing each other, and then we're going to sew it down. Remember, that was our dart. So I'm making it one piece right now. So guys, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to place it right sides facing each other, and I'm going to pin it down right there. Can you guys see what it's looking like? So this is it right here. And I'm going to sew it using 1/2 inch seam allowance right here. So this is what it looks like. So do that for the back pieces, the two back pieces, your lining as well, everything. And then when we come back, we're going to talk about what next we're going to do. Now guys, see what my top is looking like basically. Can you guys see what it looks like? I used a black interfacing, that's why it's like this. If you have white, it's still the same effect it's going to have. So that's why it's like this at the back. Now I've sewn it together. This is what it looks like from the front. You guys can see how it looks. Now if you want to pad yours, you can pad it. It's up to you. So I'm not padding it yet because I don't know how it's going to look like on my body yet. So once I'm done fully, I would know whether to pad it or not. So now guys, now that I've done this, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it. So this is the back pieces as well, the lining and the main fabric. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lining and the main fabric, place it right sides facing each other. These are the back pieces basically. So place it right sides facing, and then you're going to sew it all around, but you're going to leave a space that you're going to turn your fabric inside out. I would advise that you leave a space on the center part where your zip is going to be. So sew it all around, but leave a space on the center back. Do the same thing for this as well. Sew it all around, leave a space on the center back. And then you're going to take the main front, so the lining and the main fabric of the front. And what you're going to do now is you're going to sew it all around as well and leave a space on the center back. Now, if you're sewing it as a dress, you're just going to sew it all around the top to the sides, and then you're going to leave this bottom part open. If you're sewing it as a dress as well, you're going to sew it all around on this side right here, these back pieces as well, and they're going to leave the bottom part open. Now, because I'm wearing a skirt with this, I'm going to just sew it all around and then leave a space on the side. Now, with that space on the side as well, I can easily even still be able to put in my bra pads if I want to put pads in it. So that's what this is looking like, and I'm going to sew it and show you guys what it looks like. Guys, can you see what it looks like? I have sewn it and I have snipped it. Every curve that you have, always snip it so that it can be able to turn well. So I'm going to just turn it inside out using the openings that I left. Now I decided to leave the bottom open instead of the side. So I'm just going to turn it inside out from there. Now guys, can you see I've turned it inside out? This is the back and this is the front. So go ahead to iron it, or if you don't have luxury of, ironing it every time, just continue with this. I didn't iron it and it turned out really, really amazing. So you're going to now place it right sides facing each other and sew it along the sides. So the two sides, you're going to sew it right sides facing, and then you're going to fix your zipper as well. So as you're sewing it, you're fixing your zipper. But I want you to make sure you are using a separating zipper just like this. I don't have a short zip, so I'm going to be using this. So this is what I mean. Make sure it can separate so that you can wear it easily. So guys, I'm going to do that and I'm going to show you guys the final result. Guys, that's the end of this amazing video. This top is beautiful. It turned out beautiful. So after you've added your zipper and sewn the sides, you're practically done. All you need is to sew your open edges. So the edge that you opened at the bottom and wherever you opened it to turn it inside out, just finish it up and that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like this video, share within and outside your circle. Joining as a member. Membership gives you access to videos firsthand and some videos that are just for members only. I hope you loved this tutorial. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.